Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to transfer money from PayPal to Cash App in 2024 and 2025. Whether you're managing your side hustle earnings, splitting bills with friends, or just keeping your finances organized, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to have both a PayPal account and a Cash App account set up, along with a linked bank account for both. This is crucial because you can't transfer directly between PayPal and Cash App, they're separate platforms. So, the key is to use your bank as the middleman. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account on the app or website. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet or balance section. Here, select the option to withdraw or transfer funds. Choose your linked bank account as the destination, enter the amount you want to move, and confirm the transaction. Keep in mind, PayPal might take 1 to 3 business days for the money to hit your bank, depending on your bank and any potential fees. Once the funds are in your bank account, it's time for step 2. Open your Cash App. Go to the Bank or Add Cash section. Select the option to add money from your bank account. Enter the amount you just transferred from PayPal, and link or select your bank if you haven't already. Cash App transfers are usually instant or take just a few minutes, but double-check for any fees on their end. A quick tip: always verify the transfer details before confirming to avoid mistakes. Also, if you're in a rush, look into any instant transfer options your bank offers for a small fee. And there you have it. That's how you seamlessly transfer money from PayPal to Cash App in 2024 and 2025. It's a simple process that saves you time and effort. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.